Everyone, welcome back to Continental Food and Cake TV. If today is your first time here, you are highly welcome. My name is Joy. In today's video, I'm so excited to share this recipe with you all. Today I'm going to show you how to cook whole wheat stir-fry spaghetti. It tastes so delicious, yummy, tantalizing, and I don't want you to miss it. So let's start cooking. The first step is to boil the spaghetti. I have my pot in a high heat, and to that I add enough water to cook the spaghetti. But I'm going to allow the water to boil before I add the spaghetti. So this is the spaghetti that I'm using. You can get it in any shop to buy. So in this bowl I have chicken thigh that I've deboned and cut into long strips. So next I'm going to add seasoning. 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of chicken seasoning, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of curry powder, 1 tablespoon of chopped onion, 1 teaspoon of chopped ginger. After that, I add a teaspoon of salt, then mix together until it's well combined. You can use any meat of your choice. You can use beef, you can use pork. Just feel free to use any meat of your choice. I just prefer to use chicken thigh because it's more juicy and it's not dry when you fry it. So after mixing together until it's well combined, I'm going to cover it and keep it aside for use later. As soon as the water starts boiling, the next step is to add your spaghetti. When you add your spaghetti, cover the pot and allow the spaghetti to cook for at least 10 to 15 minutes. So this is 15 minutes later and the spaghetti is cooked, but I didn't cook it completely because this is whole wheat spaghetti, so it doesn't cook as quick as the normal spaghetti. So what I do now is I went to the sink, and wash it with cold water to stop the cooking process because I'm still going to stir fry the spaghetti. Next, I have my pan in a high heat. To that, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Coconut oil is rich in flavor. So if you want to change your game in cooking, try coconut oil. So next, I allow the coconut oil to melt. Then add the chicken thigh. Already we've seasoned the chicken thigh. We season it together, so you don't need to add any seasoning at this point. So what you need to do at this point is to fry your chicken thigh until it turns golden brown, and it takes between 1 to 20 minutes to fry to golden brown depending on your heat. And I want to use this opportunity to say thank you to all of you who come back to watch my video, those who give my video thumbs up and leave a comment, and those who subscribe. And if you've not subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and subscribe to support my channel. Leave your comment and give this video a thumbs up. So this is 20 minutes later and it smells amazing. The chicken thigh is golden brown. Can you see this goodness of yumminess? By this time your neighbor will want to knock on your door. Each time I say this, just know that what you're cooking is delicious. When your neighbor is doing what is smelling. So next I transfer to a plate, then keep it aside for use later. So as you can see, the oil is rich in flavor, packed in flavor. That is what I want. So next I'm going to add the onion. I'm using a lot of onion for this stir fry, so I'm using about 4 onion. Yes, I love the onion, and you know this onion, it has this sweet taste. So I fry the onion for at least 2 minutes before I add the mixed pepper. This was smelling amazing. Trust me guys, it smells amazing. So now I'm adding the peppers. Look at this goodness. The peppers is also going to add flavor, sweetness. It's sweet pepper guys, so don't be shy to use sweet peppers when you're cooking. You can use a lot of them. It adds a lot of flavor to whatever you're cooking. So I stir fry this for at least 5 minutes, just 5 minutes. You don't want to over fry it because we're not using it now. So after frying it for 5 minutes, I transfer to a plate. Please do not leave it in the pan because it's going to continue cooking. You don't want that. I didn't know my camera was not recording. So in this pan I have onion, minced meat and smoked paprika. So next I'm adding chicken seasoning, then add salt. After that I add chopped ginger. After that I fry the minced meat until it's completely fried and cooked. Yes, I'm using minced meat. Minced meat is going to take your stir fry spaghetti to another level. If you've not tried before, I am showing you now. Try it and you will not regret it. So I'm still stir frying the minced meat, and if you notice I did not add any oil because the minced meat I'm using contain at least 10% fat. So now I'm adding more smoked paprika, then I'm adding hot grinded pepper 1 teaspoon. After adding all the spices and seasoning that I want, I mix together to combine. As soon as the minced meat is ready, I take it off the heat. Yes, look at this goodness. So next I have the pot of the spaghetti. Add your fried minced meat, then add your fried chicken thigh. Look at this goodness. Mix together to combine. This smell amazing, guys. It smell amazing. If you've watched it this time, please give this video a thumbs up and let me know if you're going to try this recipe. This stir fry spaghetti, it tastes delicious. That is you're not going to regret it. Try it and come back and tell me. Come back and tell me the result. So now I'm adding some salt for taste. After that, I mix together to combine. As soon as I mix the salt into the spaghetti, I now bring the fried well pepper or well fried pepper, anyone na English. Add it and mix it together. Just look at what is happening here. That is, just look at what is happening here and tell me you don't want this in your dining table. So I'm adding curry powder for that color. I'm adding more pepper. As a Niger babe, you have to go add pepper. But you don't have to add more pepper. This is just the extra. Mix it together to combine. Once it's well combined, cover the pot with the lid and allow the stir fry spaghetti to cook for at least 10 minutes while you get yourself a cold drink. This is 10 minutes later and look at this goodness. To finish it up, add basil. Basil is going to give you that unique flavor, unique smell. As in when you serve the stir fry spaghetti to your family or to yourself, the aroma is going to make you hungry, like more hungry. So guys, this is the finished product. This is how to cook stir fry spaghetti. Whole wheat stir fry spaghetti. It is tasty, delicious, healthy, packed with fiber, as in it's full with fiber. That's the brown spaghetti. I hope you try this recipe, and if you do try, let me know on YouTube or let me know on Instagram, continentalfood.cake. Follow me, please follow me and subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up and leave your comment. I love you guys, and I will see you in another one. Bye.